Hey, what's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this particular website here called TapGoal, and maybe you're wondering, can you actually make money from just joining this particular platform, okay? Is it legit? How much do they pay out? Is this a good use of your time, right? We're gonna cover all that. Now, at any time, if you wanna get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, and some of them are great, some of them are so-so, some of them are just a fake and a waste of time. So let's see if TapGoal is a good use of your time or not, right? And is it legit, okay? So this website is all about, it says testing mobile apps, completing different tasks, and then basically you can work from anywhere in the world, you get paid, right? And you can learn new skills at the same time, all right? So pretty standard here, and then all you can do is you can just sign up right here, okay? Now this website allows you to sign up from pretty much anywhere in the world. They just use your, they need your username, your password, and I'm already logged in right here, so you can see this, okay? And they've got a few different places where you can go, and it looks pretty cool, right? It looks very simple, it looks very clean and very nice, all right? But let's take a look at this because there are things about this website that look a little bit dodgy, okay? So first of all, if I come into surveys right here, all right, you'll see that they're gonna give me a survey list, okay? And straight away, I look at it and I know that something is a little bit weird with this website, all right? Now, the reason I say that is because I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of make money online websites, a lot of websites exactly like this where you can do surveys, you can test apps, you can invite friends, things like that, right? These are called GPT websites, get paid to do something. And all of them that offer surveys will never ever pay as high as what they're saying right here. $37, $30, $29. These numbers just look super dodgy, all right? A real survey website only pays between 10 cents and $2 per survey. So when I see numbers like this, straight away, alarm bells are going off in my head because I've been doing this a long time. I've reviewed hundreds of these kinds of websites and these numbers just look very, very weird, okay? The other thing as well is that it's not really surveys. Some of them are. Look, it says take this survey, 25 bucks. Okay, so that seems really weird to me. But the rest are, different things like, enter your telephone number. This is kind of like a sweepstake. Okay, so this is not even really a survey. All right. Some of these as well, like you can win an iPhone 14, right? Again, this is a sweepstake, and so they're not going to necessarily pay you $29 because it's a sweepstake. All right, so it's kind of like a lottery. If you win, then you might be able to win something, but you're certainly not going to be guaranteed $29 just for entering your number inside. So a few dodgy things going on right here. All right, that's the first thing. Now I'm going to go to the app section. Okay, I just want to see how dodgy this website really is. Okay, and as I come right to apps right here, again it says get the new Samsung A53 here. Finish a short survey, and then I'm going to get $23. Well, there's absolutely no way that I'm going to actually get the $23, all right? Because that's not how sweepstakes work. The way sweepstakes work is you can enter your details, you get paid nothing, and if you really win, then you might win the phone. But the chances are like, 1 million to 1 because again, it's a sweepstake, right? It's like buying a lottery ticket. Exactly the same thing. I'm not going to win the $23 here. So this is extremely misleading. All right, so even though this is, I'm not going to click into it right now, but even this is really a Samsung sweepstake, I'm not going to win the $23 because that's not how sweepstakes work. All right, so again, the app section, a little bit dodgy. All right, not very accurate right there. I'm going to check out the invites friend section here. All right, and this basically says that I can share my link to get people to come to TapGoal, and that's how maybe you saw it. You might have seen it on social media, right? And it says here, if I share this on Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest or email, when someone clicks on my link, I'm gonna make $1. When somebody registers for free, I make $10. Now these numbers don't make sense at all because why would they pay me $1 per click? That means anyone clicks it. That means that I could go to any website, I could buy fake clicks, I could share it on social media, and I'll make money for every single click. That is crazy, right? And anytime somebody signs up, I get 10 bucks. And so these people could be from anybody in the world, right? Now these numbers don't make sense because if that's true, then TapGoal is going to go broke because these numbers are way too high. No website will pay you $1 just for people clicking on your link. All right, they don't even know where these clicks are coming from. They could be fake clicks, they could be bot clicks. They claim that they'll still pay me $1. I've reviewed websites like this, and every time they say something like this, most of the time, 99.9% of the time, the website is fake, okay? Because they're just trying to entice you to use and promote this website, but these numbers don't make sense. Like in terms of the revenue model, there's no way that these guys are actually making money this way if this was real, okay? So again, massive red flag for me right here. Another thing right here is I'm going to click on promo posts, right? And basically what they're saying here is anytime that I promote it on Instagram or Facebook or TikTok or YouTube, I'm going to earn $10 here, $10 here, $10 here, $10 here. That's way too easy. That means you make a simple little post on Facebook, you make $10, and the reason why you've probably seen ads for this particular platform is because of this. So people are promoting it on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok, saying that they've made money, saying that you can make money here, but they don't even know because they're just going through the promo post. They just want to earn the $10, okay? So what happens now is if I was to do this and I was to take any of these surveys right here, what actually happens is my earnings will actually increase. All right, so if I come down to claim my rewards right here, right? It will actually say that I've actually made money. All right, I hope that makes sense. Or payment, sorry. Okay, it will actually say, oh, you have made $25. Check that out. I didn't do anything. I just joined and they paid me $25 as a bonus, which is already ridiculous because most legitimate GPT websites, the bonus is only $1 to maybe $2. Okay, they will never give you like $25. That's a lot of money to just kind of give away for free. I hope that makes sense, okay? And you see all these little things like popping up right here that this person made this much money and that kind of stuff. That's just a little code that they've written. You know, we don't even know if that's real or not. That can be faked very easily, okay? But the thing is that with this kind of website, I mean, it just looks super dodgy, all right? The payments are way too high. They're like, you know, way higher than the industry average. And usually when that happens, when I've reviewed websites like this, 99.9% of the time, they're just fake websites, okay? So, you know, from everything that I've seen, the experience that I have, I would say just stay away from a website like this because they're not actually interested in giving you any money. So what will happen is it will look like you're earning money, but when you try and request a payout, they will make excuses. They will say things like, oh, you need to do 10 more tasks. Oh, you need to refer 10 more people, that kind of thing. And they'll keep moving the goalposts and you won't be able to withdraw your earnings. All right. So please don't waste your time on a website like this because what's going to happen is it's going to look like your current earnings are going up. But when you actually try and withdraw that money, you will not see a single cent because their intention is never to pay you out in the first place. So the big question is why would someone create a website like this? Why would they go through all this trouble but not actually pay you out any money? All right, because I've seen templates of websites like this before that are usually fake. They operate for usually about a year, sometimes a few years, and then they just shut it down. Okay, so why are they doing this? Okay, well, they're doing this because they want your details. When you sign up for a website like this, okay, I'm just going to go back all the way. Okay, when you sign up and log into TapGoal, right, there are a few different things that they need. Okay, they're gonna need, because when you sign up right here, they're gonna need your username, your email, and your password. What do you think they do with that kind of information? Well, they sell it to the black market and then people hack you. That's kind of how it works, okay? So this is an information gathering scam, all right? And I've reviewed a lot of different websites like this. I've reviewed probably about 30 of these different sites over the years. And I think it's done by the same group, to be honest. They just kind of close one down, they open one up on another domain. They use pretty much the same template right here. It looks very similar. They offer super high incentives because it's very attractive. They grab a whole bunch of data and then they shut down, and then they just kind of rinse and repeat this process over and over again, okay? So just, you know, you can do whatever you want, but I would be very careful with a website like this, okay? Because the reality is that you will never make this much money with these kinds of things right here. All right. So if you're looking around and you're like, Aaron, well, can I make $25 for any survey? You can't, because the survey industry doesn't pay this much money for taking surveys. Like I mentioned, they only pay between 10 cents and $2 per survey. Okay, on average, it's about 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents per survey. They will never ever pay you $25 per survey because it's just too much money. They can't afford to pay people that much money for taking surveys. The same thing with testing apps. They will never pay you Again, like this one says, $23 for a sweepstake, because that's not how sweepstakes work, all right? A website will never pay you $1 per click just for clicking on a link, and then for someone registering for free, they don't even have to pay for this, $10. These numbers are just ridiculous. It doesn't make sense. And why would they pay you $10 just for doing a Facebook promo? All right, it just doesn't make sense. Okay, there's no way for these guys to actually make money here because they're not showing you any ads, right? There's no ads popping up or anything like that, so that's not their revenue model. All right, if there were ads popping up all over the place and these numbers were lower, it might make a little bit more sense, but this business model right here doesn't make any sense at all. So I would personally just stay away. Oh, also another red flag is with GPT websites, you will never see such high payouts. Right, this one says $654. People don't make that much from GPT websites. They usually make like $1, $2, $5, that kind of thing per day. Okay, maybe if they add it up for a little while, it might be like $7, $8, but it will never be in the hundreds or thousands. So that to me also right here is a huge red flag. Okay, and all the legit ones also don't have these little things that pop up to show you how much money people are making, because they don't pay out that much money anyway. So they don't really want to push it as like a huge money making thing. So they're quite careful with that. But this one obviously is just trying to get you interested in making money, making fake money basically, because you're not really actually going to get paid out. Okay, so I would stay away from TapGoal. There are other legitimate GPT websites, but this one right here, I think is 99.99% just not real. All right, so I would just save your time and not bother with TapGoal. All right, now if you are watching this video right now and you are looking for a way to make money on the internet, right? There are a lot of great ways to make money online. I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different websites, business models, courses, and the one that I think that can get a beginner to go from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month is a very specific strategy, right? So if you would like to check that out, just click the link below and I'll send you my favorite way on how to go from zero to your first $10,000 a month, 100% online from home. All right, I hope you I hope you enjoyed this review of TapGoal. Again, just be careful with this website, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.